Hello everyone, I just wanted to do a video showing how to do charts for a certain style of data in LibreOffice, because I find that videos on how to do that is lacking. It either shows the wrong type of chart or the wrong type of table, or like the data is completely different. So this is the NYISO real-time fuel mix charts, or the CSV files. So I'm going to download one of these and show how to do it here. So I'm going to open it in LibreOffice Calc. So this is typically what it shows, and if you do something like this, then generate chart, which is this button up here. There we go, big cursor, insert chart. This comes up, and then typically you want to do the line chart on data like this so that you can show, you go through and finish, and this is typically what you end up with when you try to do that. So it's not what we want, and I was getting really frustrated about this. But what you actually need to do is a two-step process. So we're going to delete that. We're going to select this data again. And then first we're going to do a pivot table. So there's a button next to insert chart up there. Pivot table, current selection, looks good. And this is where you're going to need to tune what you want here. So we actually want timestamp to be our row fields. And on your column you want fuel category. For that, data can go away. Then data field would be the generated megawatts or whatever. Then we can change the options here. If you want total, you can uncheck that, or if you want total rows or columns, we'll just turn off totals rows. So then you end up with something like this. And the chart engine in LibreOffice Calc likes this a lot more. So now that we have this, you can click anywhere in the pivot chart, and you just do the chart button again, and we'll do smooth lines, and this is already a lot better. If you really wanted to, you can move it to just copy and pasting it to another sheet. So yeah, that is how you get a chart generated for data that looks like this, where you have different categories and all that. First you need to translate it to a pivot table, and then you can generate the chart based off that. So I hope this video is helpful, more helpful than the ones that I found on this topic, and I guess I'll see you in the next one.